As educators, it's our responsibility to create learning environments that are inclusive and welcoming for all students. This is especially important for English language learners who may face additional challenges as they navigate new language and culture in our classroom. In today's episode, I'm sharing tips for supporting your ELLs in your classroom. Stay tuned. What's kicking, educational rock stars? Welcome back to another episode of Teaching Made Easy. I'm the Center Fairy, your ultimate source into the wonderful world of simple classroom systems that actually work so that you can finally get back to what you love, teaching. If this is your first time joining me here on the channel, be sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you get notified when I go live or upload a new video here on the channel. Now, one way to support the success of ELLs is by creating hands-on literacy centers that allow students to engage with language and literacy in a meaningful and interactive way. These centers can provide opportunities for ELLs to develop their language skills and cultural awareness, as well as build confidence and independence as learners. So how can we create inclusive hands-on literacy centers for ELLs in the elementary classroom? I'm going to share a few tips. Now, tip number 1 is incorporate multicultural materials. Make sure to include a variety of books, games, and other materials that reflect the diverse backgrounds and cultures of your students. This not only helps ELLs feel seen and valued, but also exposes them to a range of language and cultural experiences. Now, tip number 2 is to provide support and scaffolding. ELLs may need additional support and guidance as they navigate new language and concepts in the Literacy Center. Consider using visual support, such as pictures and graphics, to provide context and clarify meaning. You can also provide verbal or written instructions in the student's native language or use a bilingual dictionary or translator to support understanding. Our Phonics for All intervention bundle is a great resource to help ELLs with phonics and beginning reading skills, and it provides support by using real images instead of cartoon clip art for the vocabulary that they're learning. These activities are perfect for learning centers and small groups. You can check them out by clicking the link in the description. Now, tip number 3 is to encourage collaboration and interaction. Hands-on literacy centers provide a great opportunity for ELLs to practice language skills with their peers. Encourage your students to work in pairs or small groups and provide opportunities for them to share their ideas and engage in dialogue. This helps build social skills and confidence, as well as provides a natural context for language practice. Now, tip number 4 is to differentiate your instruction. Keep in mind that ELLs may have a range of language abilities and their needs range as well. Make sure that you're providing materials at different levels of difficulty and consider providing additional support or challenges as needed. Creating inclusive hands-on literacy centers for ELLs can be a rewarding and enriching experience for both students and educators. By incorporating multicultural materials, providing support and scaffolding, encouraging collaboration and interaction, and differentiating instruction, we can create a welcoming and engaging learning environment that supports the success of all students. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life easier, check out the videos on your screen. Thanks for watching, and keep being an educational rock star.